Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I made a festive Easter jar using alcohol inks. I'm starting by putting Lake Blue alcohol ink by Brie Reese on some cling wrap. Now I'm using Pinata alcohol inks. This colour is Senorita Magenta. Evenly drip your inks all over the cling wrap and try to avoid having massive gaps because when you wrap it around your ceramic, you can lose the detail. This was a very peculiar shape to use and I wasn't too sure how to go about it, but I wrapped it around and then I noticed that there wasn't enough ink and there would have been some white areas, as you can see here. And for this particular style, you don't really want big white gaps. So I just unraveled a little bit to the areas that weren't filled with ink and added some more alcohol ink. Alcohol inks can be really messy and they do stain your hands, so if that is an issue for you, make sure you use gloves before you wrap your ceramic. This is a really awkward shape to wrap, so I was struggling to get the cling wrap into every single nook and cranny. It's important that the cling wrap is touching the surface of the ceramic, so I got some more cling wrap to wrap around. I wrapped it really tightly and this stopped the cling wrap from pulling away for the little nooks and crannies like around the ears and under the chin of the rabbit. Once everything is tight and snug, I leave the ceramic to dry for about 16 to 24 hours. I found that if you take the cling wrap off too early, when the ink is still wet, the ink will then run and you can lose the white gaps and texture. I then apply a varnish or resin to the finished product. At the moment I don't have a favourite, but I will be trying some and I will give you some feedback in another tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick creations. You can also check me out on Instagram at Julia Dover Art. Thanks for watching and be kind to yourself.